catch them one day. A man penny do Mahama no. Was so your man penny na. Me dey kwa court. Me dey kwa court. Me pa cho me. Me dey kwa court. Me go soon 2 billion 3 million minimum. I am tonight you can say. Any question family. Now me nya di pa na. And I said me mama ti ase dey kwa court. You see me penny for.
See, you're Mahama or a communication expert, but me finding the communication a bit problematic. The way or two bomb, I can't just close to just 1 month to election. It's not focusing on the way no what to bomb. First time no, I can't say you're about me and Imam sooner way so. Meanwhile, I have a video who Mahama oko bosom ho. Uye na kofa again and fast for no somebody from Sabegu so. So where lies the double standard? Your double standard no send it here because I'm trying to understand him say why does he do the things that he do? Yera Mahama asem na wo kano where mu now John are you even fit to be called a president? And you time na dum so buy and you time na konfo aduma guye and you time na bass band and buy and now so for say refi okay can you maybe say you might be forced out to what go back and you demean your fellow contestants. This is under the say some of them.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH from Bembros. But just subscribe, my boy. Yeah, past presidents, John Mahama can be. Debbie, I may say, if you live in a glass house, don't be throwing stones at somebody. Or can say me say the Electoral Commission discriminated against people and omuyin kofo film, especially PNC, Mona. Na Mona no can me who be extraordinary about Mona or can no can no. I hate kofo bi. Enye no. Say mo muni nya be ka no. E ka no. O say hwe Mahama tamo. Enye wo na o ma misika wo. Enye na ma misika. And I was drop another bomb. Was say you Mahama wo na ku atamos. Enye na me kan e go video number.
Me ka kire mo nne. O man penny do Mahama no. Was so your man penny na. Me dey kwa court. Me dey kwa court. Me pa cho tie me. Me dey kwa court. Me go soon 2 billion 3 million. 3 million no magic Mahama. Say me tea party no one man sikati ya na. Na minimum no. Minimum. I am tonight you can say. Any question family. Now o me nya di pa na. And I said me mama ti ase dey kwa court you see me penny for. Me mama data. So what chair me so me di pa. And I'm free Ghana. And to do a kind of side yeah me run on power chow. Me run pa chow. Oh how my money na. If I told you, your Mahama me say, so I say me, ni pano kasa say ya no nyina wote, say ni pa bi wo ha, and say thank you for your money back. Akura. Wa be kire me de kokko to be kire. So anti me am what ni dia be kire. Na me de kokko to no so am na tia say. Where dey? Me ka kire mo me say, ne kwato no wa no ne ho nkam a oni. Me be di akire ni. And I want to know about the pandemics. And I bet you know. May see peace minimum to America. Miss one on the quarter miss. It is what I found back. So I found back. But the liquor pot. May I get out the liquor pot? I know, yes, sir. Let's say the liquor pot. Meet the worker there. Meet the
Your leader called for it. Your leader called for it. And
you see, yes, you're Mahama or a communication expert, but me finding the communication a bit problematic. The way or two bomb, I can't just close to just 1 month to election. It's not focusing on the way no what to bomb. First time no I can't say you're about me and Imam sooner way so. Meanwhile, I have a video who John Mahama oko bosom ho. Uye na kofa again and fast for no somebody from Sabegu so. So where lies the double standard? Your double standard no send it here. Because I'm trying to understand him. Say, why does he do the things that he do? I mean, focus on your. What has Bernard Mona PNC got to do with you? Is NDC PNDC the same party? Why do you care? Because in 2015, if you don't know, you're disqualifying Kofo. You never spoke about it. This is double standards. And that is what I call the hypocrisy of what? The Ghanaian politician. When it is me, it's good. When it is somebody else, it's bad. And Luna, Akua Tamos. Wasn't a book at the Komu, was it Wadobesan Court? Wakosiu. Because what you said was so demeaning. And you Mahama na ubechere obia or you qualified to stand. It is not in your bosom. Womuna ujira hono. Ghana phone yen kasantia. Anka ye kasama. A former president would you pay? Does the constitution even give you right to go and restand again? Sir, article no honor. Ghanaians have never tested it. No, some of us are going to test it. Yes. Are you even fit to be called a president? And you time na doom sabai. And you time na konfo di maguye. And you time na bas band e mai. And now so for say refi. Okay, can you maybe say you might be forced out to what? Go back. And you demean your fellow contestants. This is under the say some of them. And who told you NDC is even fit to be on that ballot? This is reckless statement. And some of the statements are, you know, minimum advice is from Mekaches Massa. But they put brakes on it. Because it does not, this thing does not put food on my table. Akua is right, or see why she's right. She has every right to go and contest. Say PNC, whatever, Abuna, Melamona, Onimadianka, all making mistakes. Mistakes not correcting it twice. He's not even ready. And talk about Jaka says, our friend like Benamona, are you trying to say he's going to add your weight to it? That's childish. Oh, yeah. And Ayariga confess, what do you mean? Take time. And go to your new so kind.
But what I want the APC, what I want the NDC to do, it is not about every day complaining about the credibility of the voter register for now. What is important is that they should begin to train their police station agents to be vigilant.
Okay.
Because when they went to court in 2020, they did not have pink sheets. Where were their pink sheets? Where were their pink sheets? They did not compile a pink sheet to be able to go to court. They went to court without evidence. So you yourself, you have problems with your internal, auditing. Audit your police agents first to make sure that you have credible, perfect, intelligent, wise, trained police agents to be at the police agent. So that when the day of voting comes, you will win the election or you will lose the election and there will be problem. Either you win or lose, there will be problem.
It's, in effect, when the ECR are going to say they do not require. No,
I will say the voter register is not credible. And in an unlikelihood we go to the election, and the NDC wins the election, would they reject the voter register?
That's a good question.
Or will they reject it? No system in Ghana is perfect.
Right.
No system. Even the NDC themselves and MPP, they are not perfect in their compilation of their own resources. You understand?
Right.
So let us not draw the attention and drive the attention of making sure that we all get police agents at the police stations, rather than making noise about voter register. What are we going to do if the EC says that they are not going to do any audit into the voter? What can we do?
Yeah, but just this evening, EC say they are not going to do any auditing. They've done the process. They are working on it. So what you
can do is to be vigilant. Elections are won at the police station, not at the EC office.
Okay.
Make sure you get your data right. Your police agents properly trained so that they don't compromise their attitude and behavior at the police station grounds. We saw it in 2020. NDC could not bring evidence of police agents. What do you call it? How do you call that paper?
In their results. The pink sheet. You mean the pink sheet?
They could not provide pink sheet. So me, my advice to the NDC is that once you are wasting time with the EC, spend more time training your police agents. Spend more time training proper police agents, dedicated ones, intelligent ones that will protect your votes.
What's in here? Ayariga. Also, you couldn't even collect simple mathematics, and you are telling somebody say, "Oh, you're qualified to stand on the ticket." Me say, what's your dia? A glass and wine to go. Why open yourself and people will speak against you? Simple mathematics, NDC 2016, 2020. Most more win comfortable lead. Want me and collate simple mathematics. Yeah, no more time that time general secretary. I said you get here. Or what you then okay. What's all the we need evidence be here. Meanwhile, I said you get here and Mahama. Normally the youth go and kill. Until I make a youth be say, Sawu Jana NDC MPP who can bob just no Jimmy. I'm telling you. Because these people don't even think about us. All that they care about is themselves. Because Benanona was also a sympathizer of the NDC into a wasua a do run offer or the number eba beka. Look at the kind of mentality that we have. People who so-called who want to run for what? Presidency. And this is not the first time this man has goofed. What can say maybe, but I think it's a high time people should say. One thing that Mimeka said, Baumia Wayan said, he's a very gentleman person. Because he's focused on what? Election. Whether we knew when we knew and find home. But John Mahama, Obia was starting from your friend is saying, Obia now here a deputy, why you need to do the presidency. And then why you're so intense, say you still want to go there. Who can say Ghana has never seen you, but we see what you can do. The only person on the ballot who Ghana has not seen in any capacity is Nana Kwame Bediako. Because I said one school crowd. Na bra boy no, he's self-made. Or you'll be a what build the am kase Ghana. You know be a builder. Or be a businessman. Ghana you be kwa him. Ye bra nyina say obi nim sika pa onim say ye di sika ne kakra. By your politicians no. A past glories, me papa dia, me mama dia. It's you among case someone nim say ye kwa sika. And nothing you do baby e do. Because 2016, ya kan ye Akua ado. Ghana ye wasika is your bread, yet tisika so and then $17 cedis. From 3 cities. It's NDC MPP. Look at that ya. She new force in the bubble. I expose you FM members, but also subscribe mammy the 2 pair when you be a manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.